Summer treats, all year round treats. You're looking for a frozen drink to make yourself. Frasier's, non-alcoholic, alcoholic, juices, veggies, whatever imaginable. This is a slush maker. It comes in different colors and makes and sizes. It is a product. We're going to show you what you get inside and how to make one. We're unboxing a slush maker. Comes in blue and pink. Check online for further details about the coloring. As we open up the box, we have the slush maker, a straw, and a spoon that attaches to the straw. A plastic straw and a scooper. It attaches to the straw. Screw off cover, just gently grab it. Silicone gel frozen cup, takes up to or give or take 4 hours plus to freeze. We then add our favorite drinks in, place the cover on, squeeze, 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 and we have a slush drink. What we're going to do is go place this in the freezer and come back later. Remove the straw and the plastic, place in the freezer. When we're ready to pour a drink, make sure it's chilled before pouring in. Depending on your freezer, the temperature may vary. We have a slush cup. Have your favorite chilled drink. Pour it in. Put a cover on it. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze for a minute's time. As you hear it, that's the cup, the frozenness. As you can see it, getting slushy. We'll squeeze a little harder so it could come out to the top. You now have a homemade. You take your straw, your scooper, take a piece of your Frozen Magic. When you're finishing cleaning up your cup, over the sink and in the sink and not in the dishwasher, not dishwasher safe at all. Put your cup back in the freezer for the next time of using your slush maker. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after. The little scooper over here is your straw. You can scoop and drink at the same time.